Every single one of your contribution plays an instrumental role in ensuring equitable distribution of wealth by adopting measures like fair prices and so on. The theme for today's assembly is Tell a Tale, which truly suits the purpose behind this gathering. These tales will help us understand the relevance of what we are trying to achieve here and the impact it will have on people. Without much further ado, I would like to welcome the teachers who have been active participants of this initiative to tell a tale about how Fairtrade has made a positive impact.
Fairtrade is about better prices, decent working conditions, local sustainability, and fair terms for trade for farmers and workers in the developing country. So what can you and I do? So we can make a change. You and I can make a change.
Small-scale farmers and workers are given equal importance, not only in running the business, and also playing a vital role in decision making. So fair trade is simply a way to make a difference to the lives of people who grow and create the things we love.
What do you think is the solution for that? So the solution for that is fair trade. Fair trade makes a lot of difference for so many farmers. More than 1 lakh farmers in India get benefited out of fair trade.
Good morning, everyone. Today I'll be telling you a story about Edith, who was a fair trade cocoa farmer in the Ivory Coast.
Fairtrade supports women to increase their income and to raise their voice. Edith says that Fairtrade has given her a lot and has helped her understand her rights and duties. The woman realized that what men can do, even women can do. She says that Fairtrade has transformed her in a way. Edith says that her key objective is to see to it that all the women in her group are autonomous and that they have their own money to meet their needs.
Hello everyone. From the moment of our conception to the moment of our death, every human being is dependent on food to survive, grow, and thrive. We are dependent on the farmers who grow our food, the countless people involved in getting this food from the farmers' fields to the grocery stores, and from the grocery stores to our dining tables. We hardly ever know who grew the food that is nourishing us today, what kind of hardships they faced while growing this food, and what kind of sacrifices they had to make to give us this food. Farmers are the men and women who work in the searing heat and the bitter cold to put food on our tables and clothes on our backs. These farmers are the backbone of our society, because of whom we are able to live on this planet. As you have learned during the course of this assembly, Fairtrade India is a small step in ensuring a better life for our farmers. However, this needs the support of every individual, young and old. Change starts from you and me, and I hope you will keep this in mind the next time you go shopping for groceries or clothes. Use the knowledge you have gained to educate your parents and those around you as well. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate, Annadata Sukhi Bhava. Thank you.
I sincerely hope that each and every one of you was able to take away something valuable from this assembly. As the responsible citizens of this planet, we would expect each one of you to work towards the fair trade vision.